Welcome to lesson 19, all about perimeter. I am your friendly friend Kronk here, working for the Emperor, and I'm here to teach you a little bit about math. So let's get started and get into this whole idea of perimeter. Perimeter, of course, is all about understanding, like the fence or the outline. And so we want to understand how to correctly find perimeter. So if we were to look at something like a hexagon, we would say that there are 6 sides. And because this is a regular hexagon, we know that one side is worth 7 centimeters, so that means all the sides are 7 centimeters. And so we got really one of two options. I can add all of these together, or I can say, okay, 7 times those 6 sides. And this is groovy. I like it. I like it a lot. And in the end, we'd come away with an answer of 42 centimeters. Let's move on. Talk a little bit more about this perimeter. Well, hey now here, this looks a little trickier, a little harder. Let me ask my skill friend here how to do this. Please translate. Squeakity, squeak, 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 and squeakers, squeak, squeak, and squeak, 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 squeakity, squeak, 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 squeak. Did you get all that? All right. Well, let me run you through it. Okay. So if we're gonna find the perimeter of this shape, we gotta kind of identify the different pieces, right? We see that we got this wonderful shape. We got this side is 6, this side is 5, this side is 9, and this side is 4. But we don't know this side or this side. However, we can use some context clues to help us understand. We understand that this length is the same amount of distance as this length here. So if I were to take my 4, let me squeeze that back up onto the screen, there we go, and my 6 there, and add them together, I can get a length of 10 centimeters. Right? The same can be found to solve for this unknown. Right? I know this length is 9, which means that this here plus this here is going to eat that. All right. So to get this one, I'm going to have to do a little subtraction. I'm going to take that 9 minus the 5, this 5 right here, and I'm going to get an answer of 4. And so in the end, we got 4 centimeters. All right, hey now there, fella. Calm down. Don't get ahead of ourselves. Now that we have identified all the shapes, now we can add them all together. Right? We can take our 9 plus our 10 plus our 5 plus 6 plus our 4 plus another 4 and get ourselves an answer. And in the end, you should come away with a simple answer of doing the math, doing the math, doing the math, doing the math. All right, got it. 38 centimeters. Because 10, I'm going to group this together, that's another 10. Here's a 9. Group these ones together, that's another 9. We're just drawing all over the board. Come away with 38 centimeters. Moving on. Hey now there. We got here a problem. You see, this is kind of like one of them sample problems. And I don't know if you really want to do it. Good Angel here. Of course we're going to do the sample problem because we want to get better at math. So let's get started on this, shall we? Let's just look at it. The perimeter of a square is 48 inches. How long is each side? Hey now, this is a trick question. I say we skip it. Just let the video play through. Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? Alright guys, we're gonna make a decision. I think we're gonna do it. Solve this simple problem. Alright. That little discussion there happened inside your head just like it happened inside of mine. But let's throw one more at you. Alright? Since we understand, hopefully last time you understood that a square has 4 sides and they're all equal. So mostly you're dividing that 48 by 4. But if you didn't do that, then, well, here we go. Well, it's time for you to solve this one too. It's a good one. Some bigger numbers. You can do it. Alright, I gotta go do some jumping rope. Here we go. This is it. Lesson 19. Conk out.